Late night work, cozy mornings, or peaceful study hours deserve comfort that truly understands you. The Best Laptop Desk for Bed Couch Use transforms everyday moments into calm, focused experiences where posture feels natural and productivity flows without effort. Imagine working, learning, or watching your favorite content while your body feels supported, relaxed, and cared for. This lap desk isn't just about placement, it's about creating a personal space that adapts to your lifestyle, brings ease to your routine, and makes every minute spent at home feel more enjoyable and stress-free. Number 1. Lap Desk for Adults with Armrests, Ergonomic Laptop. Quiet evenings often turn uncomfortable when balance feels wrong and focus fades. A lap desk for adults with armrests brings calm into daily routines, shaping a personal zone where tasks feel lighter and time passes gently. Bed moments become organized, couch sessions feel steady, floor activities stay relaxed, and dorm life gains harmony without effort. Writing notes feels smooth, reading stays peaceful, gaming flows naturally, eating feels tidy, and study hours stretch longer without strain. This ergonomic laptop pillow stand supports motivation by reducing distraction and inviting confidence through comfort. Students chasing goals, professionals managing deadlines, or creatives seeking inspiration find emotional relief through better posture and mental ease. A large table surface creates space for ideas while hands remain relaxed. Long hours turn meaningful when surroundings adapt to human needs. This laptop desk quietly supports ambition, helping users feel cared for, productive, and ready to move forward every single day. Number 2. SAIJI Height and Angle Adjustable Laptop Stand. Long hours at home often blur comfort and effort, creating silent pressure on mind and body. The SAIJI Height and Angle Adjustable Laptop Stand for Bed brings balance into daily living, shaping a calm space where focus feels natural. Couch moments feel organized, sofa time becomes peaceful, chair use feels steady, and floor sessions gain clarity. This lap desk bed tray table fits modern routines, supporting work dreams, study goals, and creative thoughts without struggle. Lightweight design helps movement feel easy, while foldable form suits changing moods and rooms. Adults managing deadlines and kids learning lessons sense emotional relief through better posture and gentle support. Portable laptop table energy encourages longer attention without stress. Black finish adds quiet confidence to any room. This table adapts to human rhythm, helping users feel cared for, motivated, and ready to grow every single day. Number 3. Reading Pillow for Gaming with Ergonomic Armrests. Evening relaxation often turns tiring when support feels missing. Reading Pillow for Gaming with Ergonomic Armrests. Wooden lap desk for laptop support pillow with side pockets for reading, writing, working, gaming on bed, couch, or floor. Gray large creates a gentle zone where comfort meets focus. Soft balance around the body encourages calm thinking while study time feels warmer and creative moments feel safe. Gaming sessions stay enjoyable because posture feels cared for. Writing thoughts flows easily without distraction. Working hours feel lighter when the body rests naturally. Reading stories becomes deeper because arms feel relaxed. Couch days gain purpose. Floor moments feel peaceful. This support pillow builds emotional security by reducing daily strain and bringing quiet confidence. Students dream longer. Adults concentrate better. Every use feels like a personal space designed for calm energy and steady motivation. A simple change brings happiness, productivity, and comfort together in one caring presence. Number 4. BUYIFY Folding Lap Desk, 23-inch. Calm routines grow stronger when personal space feels reliable. BUYIFY Folding Lap Desk 23-inch Portable Wood Black Laptop Bed Desk. Lap desk with cup holder for working, reading, writing, eating, watching movies. For bed, sofa, couch, floor. Supports everyday moments through emotional ease. Morning tasks feel lighter. Late night plans feel peaceful. Creative thinking flows without pressure. Home study gains warmth. Relaxed viewing becomes enjoyable. This portable surface invites balance between rest and purpose. Movement around rooms feels natural. Living areas stay organized. College life feels manageable. Family time stays comfortable. The design blends quietly into modern homes while offering a sense of control during busy days. Focus improves because surroundings cooperate with human rhythm. Confidence rises when work feels supported. Simple living grows richer through thoughtful placement. BUYIFY Folding Lap Desk 23-inch Portable Wood Black Laptop Bed Desk. Lap desk with cup holder for working, reading, writing, eating, watching movies. For bed, sofa, couch, floor. Brings emotional comfort into daily habits and encourages productivity without stress. Number 5. Laptop Desk for Bed, Couch, Lap Desk. Daily life often shifts between rest and responsibility, creating moments where comfort decides focus. Laptop desk for bed, couch lap desk for laptop, portable laptop stand for desk, small adjustable laptop desk, foldable bed table for laptops, and writing bed tray table with cup holder. Black brings gentle order into those moments. Work feels calmer when posture feels natural. Study sessions become easier when the mind stays relaxed. Writing thoughts flows smoothly during quiet nights. Couch time turns productive without effort. Bed routines feel organized instead of messy. This lap desk supports emotional balance by creating a personal workspace anywhere at home. Busy students feel less pressure. Remote workers gain steady attention. Creative minds feel free to think longer. Simple movement between rooms keeps energy fresh. The presence of a stable surface builds confidence and reduces daily strain. Comfort encourages motivation. Motivation builds consistency. Consistency shapes success. This desk quietly fits into everyday living, helping users feel supported, valued, and ready to move forward with ease and calm confidence.